Cambridge is, of course, one of the best universities in the world. But also more important for me is that my own research interest and my own research experience matches one of the supervisors in Cambridge very much.
Send an email to the supervisor you'd like to work with. It sounds quite scary at first, but they're generally very nice and very approachable and will help you a great deal with your application. I tailored my research application to say not only why my research was important and why I felt it was necessary, but also why Cambridge itself was a particularly good fit for that research because of the expertise that was there.
There are always a lot of fundings from different sources in Cambridge.
When I applied, I did spend a lot of time going through the research portal for scholarships at Cambridge.
Showcase every strength that you have, because the funding competition here is really, really very competitive.
The most important thing for finding a funding is the timeline. Some funding, they closed application at a very early stage. So you have to apply before they close the deadline.
When applying to Cambridge, I was doing an interview with my supervisor. I was not expected to come to Cambridge, so I did it online. And essentially we're just chatting about different things related to the PhD, like what my research interests are, what my previous research was about, what I'm expecting from my PhD, and what I would be expecting from my supervisor.
The good thing I felt in my application was my supervisor liked my thinking, which is very much important. So there's nothing wrong or right when you apply, when you get interviewed. It was all about my way of thinking, what direction I'm heading to, what I'm seeing myself in 4 years down the line, and what my supervisor, if he's capable of he thinks that it's worth his time doing that research.
I think if you list something in your CV, people will ask and they want to see solid examples. Just stay true to your experience and explain with examples.
Just go for it. I'm sure you won't regret it.